What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting our day at our Dutchess yard. We just loaded a bunch of the stuff that we had here for that red truck. In the bed here I have a ladder. This is a like a headgear basically type of thing. It's just to protect the cab from the salt when you're pouring. This will get welded to the salt spreader. We have our welder. I also have our bumper here that I need to either load in here or on the trailer. Kevin's in the toolcat. I'm about to pull down, connect to our aluminum trailer, and then we have to load the plows on it. All right, guys, we're all loaded up and strapped down. We got the front plow here. We got the wing plow on the back of the trailer. I have the front bumper. I have the spill shield. I have our spinner, our welder, and I have a stainless ladder that is also going on that truck, all in the bed here. Me and Kevin are about to take a ride to Hudson River Truck and Trailer. I don't know if you can see down there, but yesterday Rodrigo brought our F600 up because it is going back to Hudson River Truck and Trailer. If you saw the videos on that, you know that the Fisher dealer that we went to did nothing with it for 3 weeks, and we don't have time to wait around. So we called Hudson River. They are bringing in a different plow and frame for us, which is going on that truck. So we're going to drop it off there, and as soon as they get it, they have the truck to work on it. So we're going to go drop that off, and then I'm hitting the road and heading down to our main shop. All right, guys, so we got the front plow thrown on here. We have the wing sitting here. We're not putting that on yet because it's a little tight getting out of our garage door here with wings on. So we're gonna wait till we have the truck outside to put this on. Rodrigo's working on the bumper. We gotta make some spacers. We're probably gonna cut some pipe and put them behind here. The people we bought this from had spacers here, but they used they had like 10 washers. It might be in one of the older videos. I might have put that in there when we took the bumper off. So we're gonna cut pipe rather than use washers and slide the bolt right through there and use that as a spacer. We also have the spinner here for the back end, which we are not putting on quite yet because we got to figure out the rest of the electrical issue here. And all the electrical is in here. You can see that box there. There's also another box with some wires in it. And if we put the spinner on, it's just one more thing in the way there. But Rodrigo also bolted this splash guard thing, whatever we're calling this, up here. And you can see it's a tiny bit smaller than this spreader, but it's still pretty good here. It has the same distance on both sides, so it's just bolted on right now. He is gonna weld it right down here just to secure it a little bit, but you can see I'm shaking this and it's not moving at all. Those bolts are holding it pretty nice. So we're in pretty good shape here. We just got to get all of this put together and then figure out everything on the back end there, and this truck will be complete. We can get it out of here and head on up to Orange County with it. That is where this truck is gonna work this year. There is a older truck that has a wrap on it. You guys might have seen it in some videos that's not as nice. So we're gonna turn that into a spare, and this will be that guy's main truck now for this year. But I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. I'm about to connect this trailer back to my truck, tow this home, and then tomorrow I have to tow the Snow Raider down here. We're gonna get that in the back of the shop and then start moving all that stuff back there to the storage unit that we have, so we can finally get our shop nice and clean. But actually, I'll show you something. We got a new pressure washer, and this thing is pretty nice. We haven't used it yet. It's just been sitting here, but it's a trailer with a tank. That way we don't have to worry about water anywhere. We can just bring this and use this instead of having to connect a hose somewhere. But you do have two options. We will do it, but you can put a hose on this reel and you can either run it from the hose with this valve, or you can run it from the tank with that valve. So it is a very nice pressure washer here. I'm definitely gonna make a video on just this pressure washer one day, hopefully when it's not too cold out. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.